Are you looking at starting your own business or a startup? In this video, I will take you along and share with you 7 strategies or 7 simple steps that are recommended to be taken in case you are thinking of starting your own business. If the subjects of business strategies and management are of interest to you, do look at subscribing to this channel and keep receiving our videos in future on all these subjects to help you and your business make money and grow. Now let's get going and explore on how to start business in 7 easy steps. Mind you, number 3 is very important and critical, and I have observed many new entrepreneurs not taking this point number 3 very seriously. So I suggest to understand point number 3 very clearly and do not compromise on its understanding and execution. The first step, start with a good business idea. If you're wondering how to start business, it may be easier than you think. Like other successful businesses, you need to make sure that you have a good business idea before you start off. From there, you can develop a product or service that will solve the problem of your prospective customers or consumers. But before you begin anything, you have to make sure that you do a very thorough and proper research. This is crucial because only an estimated 79.4% of the companies survive their first year in operation. Whether you are starting a business in retirement or looking forward to generating more cash for yourself, you will want to find the right startup growth strategies. Don't be afraid of being a sole proprietorship and starting your company on your own, because you always grow and hire new employees at a later stage. To help get ideas, you may think on following easy startup options: business consulting, cleaning services, bookkeeping and accounting services, event planning, jewelry designing, copywriting, personal training, computer training, music lessons, graphic designing, landscaping, financial planning, or photography. What is your business idea? Do mention them in the comments. Now, after you have finalized on step number 1, let us hit the step number 2 of starting a new business: conducting research about your business idea. Once you have your business idea, the next step is to see whether this idea is worth pursuing or not. To do this, rely on market research and do make sure that you analyze your prospective competitors thoroughly. This will help you gauge your audience's interest and understand your customers' needs. Identify potential problems with your product and services. Lessen financial losses by helping you make more informed decisions. Find niche markets you may not have known about. Set goals that can guide your business. To successfully conduct your research, you would want to identify your target customers. You can do this by finding out who benefits from your products and services. You would also want to look at other factors like demographic details, age, locations, and even the marital status. Next, engage your audience. Once you know who your target customers are, conduct surveys and talk to people directly to gain more feedback. Don't overlook social media either, which can be the perfect place to engage with your audience. Look at your competitors. Analyzing competing products and services can give you an idea of what already exists in your industry. This can help you find new ways to improve upon your idea and products and services. It can also help you target potential weakness in your product and service before you spend time and money. Be sure to note your competitors' pricing strategy, which will give you a range of how much your potential consumers are spending right now in the similar products and services. Now let's get to point number 3, and this is very critical to understand. I suggest do not undermine the importance of this particular aspect. Writing a business plan. Your business plan outlines your current and future business goals. Successful businesses use this as a resource to organize the direction of their company. Your written business plan should include following elements. First, title page and contents. Investors use your business plan to get a feel of your company. That's why keeping it organized and easy to navigate is very helpful. Second, statement of purpose of your business. This summarizes your product, market, and business operations. It also states if you're looking for funding or not. Third, product description. Explain each detail of your products and services and how they benefit your customers. Fourth, market analysis. Outline your target demographic, selling trends, and customer expectations. Fifth is competitors analysis. This should highlight strengths and weaknesses of the companies which are already existing in the market and have similar products and services. Writing a business plan is important because it can help you make more efficient and strategic decisions. It also helps you to focus on your goals and strategies. Some of the other benefits of having a written business plan include helping you with finding potential weaknesses, communicating your ideas to stakeholders, organize important information about your business, hiring employees that are right for your company. But let us come to a step number 4, which is make your new business official now. Once you have worked hard on your idea and researched well on it to know it is worth pursuing forward and has the potential in market, it is time to take your business to the next level now by making it official. Register your business with your state as per the laws. This gives you legal grounds to move forward and using your company's and brand's name. Pick up the right licenses and permits. Depending on your business, it includes food, liquor, health, or business licenses. Get a tax ID number. This allows the taxation authorities to effectively track your transactions and business. And once you're official, you can set up your office, whether in your home, garage, or a commercial space. And do create an online business presence. Is there any other business compliance that you need to take care of in your state or country? Do mention them in the comments. Now let us come to our fifth stage. Know your finances. You may have asked yourself, how do I start business with no money? Some tips for getting the funding you need for long-term success include asking your friends and family for some extra money, getting a small business loan, looking for grants, subsidies, or local funding, selling and convincing to the angel investors to back your company. On top of this, if you have been wondering and asking yourself as to what kind of business should I start with no money, check out our previous video on how to start a business with low to zero cost. The link is mentioned in the description. Some of the business ideas that you can do part-time while gaining enough customers to take it on a full-time basis at a later date: freelance writing, business consulting, graphic design, tutoring, web design, personal training, dog walking, childcare, bookkeeping. Now let us talk about our step number 6 to starting a new business. Protect your business. Starting a small business takes a lot of time, effort, and money. That means you would want to protect it with right business tools and other insurance: general liability insurance, business income insurance, data breach coverage, professional liability coverage, commercial property insurance, and various software tools to protect your IT interests. Before we get on with our 7th step, I hope you have subscribed to our channel. The 7th and important step is build your business. You can't build a strong business without investing time and effort into it. You will also need to promote your business and establish a very strong marketing plan. In today's world, building business also means you will also need a strong website and social media presence. These can help you connect with your customers and learn about them in a better way. With them, you can even ask for customers' email IDs and other contact coordinates so that you can reach them directly in future and promote your business. And most critical towards business build-up is hiring right employees. Hire the best who can support in your operations. So invest enough time, focus, and effort while you are hiring employees for your startup. Especially the initial set of employees, about 10 to 15, that will initiate your business build-up activities. So these are 7 simple steps that you can think of while starting a new business or entrepreneurship venture. Do mention in comments if you think I have missed out on something. It will definitely help others. You can also write an email to me on the mail ID which is mentioned in the description, and I will personally respond back to you. Now that you have subscribed to this channel, be inspired and keep building.